Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts on Zoom. If you frequently meet with the same people or collaborate with specific team members, having them saved as contacts makes scheduling meetings and connecting much faster and more efficient. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.us. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Enter your email address and password to access your Zoom account. This is the web portal where you can manage all your account settings, meetings, and contacts in one centralized location. After you've successfully logged in, take a look at the left panel of your screen. Here you'll see various menu options for managing different aspects of your Zoom account. Click on My Account. This section gives you access to your personal profile and account management features. From here, you'll be able to control everything related to your Zoom presence. Next, within the My Account section, select Personal Contacts. This is where Zoom stores all the contacts you've manually added, making it easy to quickly find and connect with people you work with regularly. Think of this as your personal Zoom address book, separate from any organizational directory your company might have. Now, you're ready to add a new contact. Look for the button that says plus add contact and click on it. This will open a form where you can input all the relevant information for the person you want to save. Having this information readily available means you won't need to search through emails or notes every time you want to reach someone. You'll see several fields appear on your screen. Start by typing in the required information. The name field is essential, so make sure you enter the contact's full name clearly. Next, add their email address, which is crucial for sending meeting invitations directly through Zoom. Below that, you'll find fields for office phone, home phone, mobile phone, and fax number. Fill in whichever numbers are relevant and available to you. You can also add a main number if the contact works for a larger organization and there's a company field where you can note their employer or business name. These additional details help you keep track of professional relationships and make it easier to organize your contacts. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click the Save button. Zoom will process this information and add the contact to your personal contacts list. You can now easily access this person's details whenever you need to schedule a meeting or send them an invitation. And that's it. You've successfully added a contact to your Zoom account, making future communication and meeting coordination much smoother. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.